Okay, so for the first question, it says there are 9 adults and 58 students on a field trip. What is the ratio of adults to total amount of people on the field trip? So they want a ratio. They're just asking you for the ratio. They're not asking you for it 3 different ways. They're not asking for anything else but a ratio. So you can say adults. How many adults are there? 9. 2. How many total people are there? Total tells me, oh, well, that means students and adults. So I say 58 plus 9. 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. So I'd say 9 to 67. Then it is asking me to write the ratio comparison statement as well. So I need to write myself a ratio comparison statement. For every 9 adults, there are 67 total people on the field trip. The second question says Sarah has 150 dimes, 250 nickels, and 400 pennies. Complete the table to show the ratio of the number of pennies to the total number of coins. Just give you a heads up, this was a state test question, not last year, the year before. So the number of pennies we have is 400. Total means we have to add them. So if I have 150 and 250, so 200, 100, 300, 400. So 400 plus 400 is 800. So you get 400 to 800.